Ah! Little dog almost became a speed bump. What's going on, riders? So before we get this video started today, I wanted to give a shout out to my man Philip from North Carolina. He sent me these pictures of his 1999 883, and this thing looked good. I was over here looking at it, and I'm like, that's a nice bike. So you definitely got a nice ride there, Philip. We might have to go out and ride sometime if you're in the Charlotte area or whatnot. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. What's going on, riders? As you can see, I got the KLR 250 running. So I brought her out today. Wait a minute. I think this is supposed to be, this piece is supposed to go somewhere through there. I think it goes like that. But as you can see, I got the KLR 250 running. So I brought it out to take it for a quick spin. Excuse some of it. It's not as pretty as it should be, you know. Seat looks jacked up. I ordered a new seat cover for it to put on there. But I'm trying to get used to riding this thing. I rode it yesterday too for like 5 minutes. But basically, I'm testing the reliability of it to make sure it's going to be reliable before I go out any distances. You know what I'm saying? So let's take this puppy for a quick ride. So first off, let's get her in neutral. Hit that run switch, and I got to kick start it. Come on. Let me scoot up. I can't get a good perch on her. There we go. So we're just going to go for a real quick ride. So I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. Hold on. Let me get some breath. I'm a little out of shape. It's hot. So I'm not really used to, I've never ridden a dirt bike until now. I've ridden this when I first got it, but that was just down the street. But I've never ridden a dirt bike. I've ridden an ATV, four-wheelers, things like that, but I've never ridden a dirt bike or dual sport or anything of this configuration. And it feels a lot different than riding a Harley Davidson or riding a sports bike. Like, it just feels really different. It feels like a quick bike because it's just so light, you know. Sometimes it's actually feels a little scary, you know what I'm saying? And another thing I was worried about just from this KLR 250, which some of y'all might be able to tell me if that's normal, the engine sounds completely different than my Harley does or the sports bike ever did. Like, it's not necessarily a ticking sound, but it's like you can hear the engine, which is kind of making me feel like something's wrong, which I'm hoping it's not. But if any of you have a KLR 250 or have ridden one or are familiar with one, let me know. Is that a normal engine noise? But the thing goes, it definitely rides, I'll tell you that much. Yesterday I got it up to like 60, 65, and this is still a work in progress. Of course, I'm not gonna make it the nicest bike on earth, you know. I ain't gonna spend the amount of time and money on this that I did on Harley, but I'm gonna try to make her at least a little decent. And that's another thing, I'm weirded on the turns because of these knobby tires, and they're like a lot of flat spots on the rear tires. Like, I need tires bad. I'm thinking about getting some, I think they're called Shinko 705s. I seen Cycle Cruiser talking about those, so I'm thinking about throwing some of them on here. They're 80% road, 20% off-road, because most of my riding will be on road, but, you know, I'm going to go off-road with this puppy a couple times. I've just been gathering things from all my old bikes and stuff, trying to put this together. Like, these mirrors came from my Grom. Ooh, it's horses. What are those, horses or cows? Oh, those are cows. Oh, you're right here. That cow was like right there. That was cool. I think it's a car behind me. I'm not like super familiar with how these things are supposed to ride, sound, you know, so I got to get comfortable on this, you know. As with any bike, you got to get comfortable with it so that you can just ride it however you want. Like, I'm fully comfortable with Harley. I was fully comfortable with my R6, R1. I could get on any sports bike and be comfortable with it. But when I'm on a totally different type of feeling bike, it's gonna take a little while to get used to it. Chill. I noticed I was talking like that, so why not do the chill? I don't even think I'm saying it right. The way it feels as far as shifted, it just feels so forgiving. It feels easy to ride, but weird because I ain't used to this. You know what I'm saying? And as you all know, I hate a quiet motorcycle, and this thing is quiet. So I ordered a exhaust for it last night. They had a sale on eBay, and I got the cheapest exhaust I could find. I picked up a Dan Moto exhaust for like 80 bucks brand new. So I hope that's a pretty decent exhaust. I just need a little bit of sound coming out of this thing. Not that it's going to give me any serious sound. I need to hear something coming out of the exhaust pipe. I really want to get this thing an acceleration test or a speed test, but I don't really trust this bike enough yet to be doing that. I don't want to destroy it when I first just got it running, you know what I'm saying? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All right, this thing actually got 6 gears. That shows you how much I knew. I think there's like a gravel or a dirt road or something down here. I ain't sure. I think it's still down here. There is definitely a road if I go up. What is that? That railroad track, but I ain't doing that. I've never really taken a dirt bike on a gravel road, so let's try it out. See if it's a big difference than Harley. It kind of feels like it already. It's probably the knobby tires. I'm definitely not speeding, that's for sure. Not until I get used to this type of shit. Oh, where we at? Oh, heard a dog. Not in the mood to play with a puppy. Alright, let's hit this. I ain't going down there. Look like a big mud pile. I know suspension feels totally different. You can't hit potholes and bumps like that on Harley, and she just take it like a G. That ain't happening. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have some fun with this bike. Once I get some tires on her, of course. I ain't confident in these tires. Road ends. I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, definitely went the wrong way. So let's turn around. Well, let's go down here. Looks like they about to build something over there. Oh, so they're building houses and they doing something down here. Ah! Little dog almost became a speed bump. People got these little dogs running around. Didn't want to run Poochie over. He was coming for me. Alright. Let's get out of here. If I hit somebody's damn dog. So yeah, I mean, she's doing pretty good so far. I feel like she might end up being a reliable little bike. I'm actually gonna go down that mud path to see if it's a way out back there. Why not? Adventures on the KLR 250. Alright. I hope I don't f up my pants and everything. Nope, not going there. I'm not about to be chased by whatever the f that pit bull is. I ain't afraid of dogs because I got dogs, but People's dogs I don't know. And it's 2. They just kicking it. I ain't playing with people's dogs I don't know. Let's roll. I feel like I should keep knobbies. I'm kind of liking them. Because I cannot drive down the road like this with the tires that's on like Harley or any other type of bike. Alright, well, that was fun for the most part. Alright, well, that's it for today. That's my first time out here having a little bit of fun on this thing. Still got some work to do to her. Still got a lot of work to do to her. And some other things I want to get taken care of and get more comfortable riding it. So I'm going to be out riding this thing a lot. But yeah, comment below. Let me know what y'all think of the KLR 250. How'd I do for my first voyage out? I probably sucked. But I'll see y'all in the next one. It's your boy Infinit Ryda. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go subscribe to my music channel as well. Like and comment below. And as always, stay safe, be blessed, and get out there on 2 wheels, people. Deuces. Love y'all.